June TV recipe. I'm June. Today's menu is tofu steak, pan-fried bean curd. Depending on how you grill tofu, that can go up to the feast table, guest table, and also to the kitchen table. It's classy and decent dish.
Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you tofu steak. Tofu is made from beans. Beans are called in Eastern beef from the field, and Western feta cheese but not fat. Tofu is enough for one meal. I used to eat tofu when I feel tired of eating rice because tofu has plenty of nutrients. You know that simple is the best. Today I will try the best dishes to feel the original taste of tofu. One problem is that almost all tofu moisture is 85%. The biggest key is how you handle the moisture. Today, I'm going to show you how to handle it. Let's grill crispy and soft inside, but the know-how is very simple. Okay, let's try now.
The ingredients needed for tofu steak are just the tofu, salt, and kelp soy sauce that will be poured later. Kelp soy sauce is made of kelp, water, soy sauce, and vinegar. But there are another thing you really need for tofu steak. It's kitchen towel. Do not spare a kitchen towel. If you save the kitchen towels, you cannot make crispy and soft tofu steak. And there is a way to put salt on the tofu and drain it over time, but it is not enough to make delicious tofu steak. Wrap all 4 sides of tofu with a kitchen towel, and if you loosen it in 30 seconds to 1 minute, it will almost dry out. Now, shall we cut the tofu? Tofu really needs to be handled gently, as like a newborn puppy care. Put the frying pan on the gas stove and put the tofu first without oil. Then the frying pan will release the moisture from the tofu. The fire is a medium fire. The reason why I do not put oil from the beginning is that it does not pan fry well when oil is mixed in a state of high moisture. As you see, these are all cut off, but they are keep trying to stick together. Keep chopsticks open between the tofu. On a pan, the juice of tofu start to boil and steam up. Sprinkle some salt evenly over the tofu. The amount of salt will be about 1 teaspoon. Think of the amount of salt as 70% of the required amount because we prepared kelp soy sauce. Today, we just need 3 tablespoons of kelp tea, so really small size kelp is okay. Please put kelp in purified water for about 10 minutes for making kelp tea. Can you hear the chorus? They are asking my sizzling oil. It's just time you put the oil in a pan. Because the tofu evaporates a lot of water and the surface is very dry, it will suck up the oil. You do not need to put a lot of oil. Less oil means it's more healthy, fragrant, and delicious. Am I right? In fact, many people try to pan fry tofu with flour or starchy powder when baking tofu. If you use flour, it will be less soft, juicy, tender than when you only have tofu. Now, the backside is starting to fry in brown. Looks delicious, isn't it? Pan fry all the front and back of the tofu golden brown. Actually, cooking is the control of fire and time. I think if you can enjoy the natural taste of ingredients with minimal seasoning, it's the best dish. Ho! You guys are making such a dish today. Now, I'm going to prepare a green onion for the garnish. Cut the green onion in 5 cm crosswise, split the middle, and cut lengthwise. As you all know that the surface of pepper and green onion is very strong. So when you cut peppers or green onion, you have to cut center and cut it from the inside so you can cut it easily. When you grill trimmed green onion, you don't need oil. Put the green onion in the pan that you have pan-fried the tofu and roast it lightly. The smell of green onion roasted and the color will elevate the label of tofu steak. Now, tofu and garnish are ready. Then let's make kelp soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of kelp tea, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. The role of kelp tea is to increase the umami. The soy sauce is diluted in kelp tea and does not harm the original taste of tofu. And the vinegar makes oiled tofu even better with the flavor of sour. Now, let's put kelp soy sauce on the tofu dish. Depending on your preference, you can put 3 to 5 tablespoons of kelp soy sauce on the top of tofu steak. It will make a perfect tofu steak. You try it. Let's try now how it tastes. Maybe you wonder why I'm eating like this and leaning around and looking around. The one of the front camera was out. The camera on the side is also turned off. So I'm eating tofu steak and checking the camera status. Anyway, it was delicious. I wish you enjoy it too.